Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing. We've actually got two parcels to get through in today's video, and this is something that I've been looking forward to showcasing for some time now. Now this has been a work in progress for 3 whole months. Now for those of you that are 365 Club members, you would have already heard about this project before the rest of the subscribers of my channel, and that is because I announced it a little bit earlier to everyone that has been a 365 Club member. So massive thank you to everyone that is a 365 Club member, and a massive thank you as well just to everybody that subscribed to my channel. This is something that has been 3 months in the making. It is the first piece of branded silver, if you like, that I've released that has 365 Days of Silver on it. I've produced other things of 365 Days of Silver on as giveaways and things like that, but this is the first piece I'm actually introducing to the market that you are able to pick up and buy if you're interested. So let's get straight into the video and show you what I've been working on behind the scenes. Extremely excited to see how this looks in the hand. A lot of time and effort went into this. This is a project that I've worked on with Velouis. For those of you that have heard of Velouis, you'll know that the work that they produce is very, very high quality, and their attention to detail is incredible. They're actually the same company that helped produce the Stackers Social poker chips. So for those of you that picked up one of those, you'll know that their level of craftsmanship is exceptional. And let's have a look what we've got in here today. Wow, look at this. Extremely nicely packaged. I believe we have a business card here. For those of you that haven't checked out Velouis' website yet, there is a QR code there that you can scan, or simply just type in velouis.co.uk. There will be a link to their website in today's video description as well, so that if you're interested in picking up one of these, you can head over and grab one. Now these are an extremely low mintage, and the mintage figure I will announce in a minute, but let's have a little look at what we've got in here. So you can see it says 365 Days of Silver, spot price bars 2025. Very, very nicely packaged here. I'm actually so excited to see this in the hand. Like I said, this has been 3 months in the making. So when I originally had the idea of producing this project, I reached out to Velouis and we brainstormed, and we've been chucking around ideas and prototypes and all different things to eventually come to this piece. Wow, already it looks absolutely incredible. Now this is a spot price bar. Now this has the first trading day of January. It has the spot price. You can see it says £23.73. The design on there is we have a bull and a bear to represent the bull and bear markets, a term very regularly used in the stock market and the crypto market, and also in the precious metals market when looking at charts. On the front we have 365 Days of Silver. That is actually sand casted in the bar, so you can see it dips down, and then this has been lasered on, and this is the weight, the fineness, and it says spot price bars. Now this is a little bit heavier than the ones that are going to be released for everyone to be able to pick up. The ones that are going to be available for sale are going to be closer to 1 ounce, and that is to make them more affordable, because this is going to be a collection. You can see this is January's spot price, and as the year progresses, there's going to be a bar released every single month for the whole year as a very fun way of tracking the spot price. Now I originally came up with this idea because there was a number of people in the comment section that were asking me, what was the spot price like when you first started picking up precious metals, or what was the spot price like at this month last year? And without going and having a look at the charts, I wasn't exactly too sure, and I thought, how cool would it be to have a physical way of tracking the spot price? And I thought this would make an absolutely incredible collection, something to look back at in a couple of years' time and see how the spot price of silver has changed. But this looks absolutely incredible. Now, I've got a little stand over here. I've prepared for this video. So we'll pop that on the stand. Look at that. That is TSC style, that is, having a stand ready to go. Now you can see you've got the COA here. This is Jan 001 and the bar number is 365001. And like I said, this is 42 grams, but the ones that will be available for sale will be closer to an ounce. I think that's a better price point for people if they're looking to collect all of these over the course of the year. But very nice looking COA, and extremely pleased with how that bar's come out. Now we'll put a little thing on the screen now just to show you the different stages that we went through when we was trying to design this bar. There was a lot of changes made throughout. There was a lot of tried and failed sand casting, trying different designs to see what worked best, what performed better when doing the sand casting in terms of designs. And what is going to be very cool about the future releases of this bar is, I'll put a little picture on the screen now, but you'll see that every single bar as the months go by will not only have the current spot price for the start of that month, but it will also have a percentage increase or decrease depending on whether that price has gone up or down from the previous month. And also, if the price has gone up, you're going to have a bull, and if the price has gone down, you're going to have a bear. And these lines that you can see on the bar here, these diagonal lines, these will also represent the way the market has changed over the months. So this one here, this is the very first one. This is the January edition. So you've got both the bull and the bear on this, because we don't know exactly which way the market's going to go this year. But say, for example, next month the spot price takes a little bit of a dip, you'll just have the bear on the bar, and these lines will actually go the opposite way to show the market has fallen. And like I said, you'll also have the change in percentage of spot price from the previous month. So once you have all of these in a collection, it'll be very, very cool to see the spot price going up and down, and also the image of the bar changing depending on that spot price. So a really cool idea, really cool physical way of tracking the spot price over the course of a year. There's only going to be 35 of these bars released each month. And the reason the mintage is so low is because they do take a lot of work to produce. Anybody that is in the community that pours their own precious metals will know that the smaller you pour, the harder it is to get this detail. So when you're pouring these smaller pieces, there's a lot more work that goes into them, and there's a lot more that come out the other end after being poured, and they're simply not good enough to use, so they have to literally be melted back down and go again. So that is why we've kept the mintage nice and low. This video will be going out to my 365 Club members 2 days before, kind of 3 days really, because this video is going to go up today, and then we're not going to announce it to the rest of the community till Monday afternoon / evening. So there's kind of a 3-day head start there really for people in the 365 Club if you'd like to get your hands on one of these. But like I said, they're only going to be 35 a month. And now I'm going to show you something that is very, very special, that you can also purchase separately if you choose to collect this whole collection. And I'm going to make a little bit more room. Very, very excited about everyone seeing this video today. Like I said, it's been 3 months in the making, this project, and to finally have it on my desk is amazing. But here we go. This is the next part of the video, and you might have already guessed what this is after the comments I just made. How do we open this box? Where's the... oh, here we go. Under this side. Extremely well wrapped. For those of you, like I said at the beginning of today's video, that picked up the poker chips, the stack of social poker chips that Valui produced, you'll know that the way they present things and they ship things out, they really, really take a lot of care. And it has been a really fun project to work on. There's been times when it's been a little bit stressful, when designs haven't quite worked the way we wanted them to work. but to finally have a product in the hand is absolutely amazing. Again, we've got Louis Silver's business card there, and we're just going to pull this straight out. Look at this. Got some nice packaging peanuts there, put them to one side. Look, it's like wrapped like a birthday present. Very, very nicely wrapped. Wow, look at this. Extremely nicely wrapped. Let me make sure it's the right way round when we reveal this. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is a box that you can store all of the spot price bars in if you decide to collect the whole series. 365 Days of Silver, spot price bars 2025. You've got both designs on there. Produced by Louis Silver. And if we pop it open, it's magnetic sealed. Look at that. These are made to fit perfectly each one in the collection. Pops in there very nice and snug as well, so it doesn't fall around. And there we go. January 2025 is in the box. And like I said, if you go through the whole year collecting these each month, you have spaces for every single bar in here, and you'll be able to see how the markets have changed month by month very, very quickly just by looking which way the diagonal lines are facing, and also whether you've got a ball or a bear on the bar. So it'll be very, very cool once they're all lined up to watch the spot price go up and down throughout the year. And it'll be very nice at the end of the year to see the comparison between this bar, which is January, and this bar, which will be December. So just a really cool way of tracking the spot price. A very, very fun project. I've really, really enjoyed working on this. I hope you all like it. I'm a little bit nervous about releasing this video to the community because, like I said, it's the first time I've actually released a piece of silver that has my name on it that is up for sale. So yeah, I hope everyone likes it as much as I do. And I will leave a link to the Louis website and where you can actually pick one of these up in today's video description. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I can't wait to finish recording and just play around with this bar and have a look at it properly off camera. But it's truly a work of art. Like I said, a lot of work has gone into this. 3 months of trial and error to get to where we are today. And I think it's turned out absolutely incredibly. So massive shout out to Louis. Thank you very much for working alongside me on this product. And thank you everyone for watching today's video. Hope you have a very nice day.